Women that gives their husband constant sex every time, they are pushing the man to go and sleep around. But excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Let me ask. Giving your husband sex every day, does it stop him from cheating? As in giving your husband
No,
constant sex every day, does it stop him from
it
cheating?
doesn't stop him.
So why? See, men love new things. Men love new things, new things. Even when it is not appealing, but as long as it's new, as long as it appears new, as long as it's not like the way it used to be, men tend to like it. Let me give you an example. Assuming you used to prepare jollof rice and you put salad, you understand me? This time around, prepare the jollof rice, don't put salad, put something like meat, just garnished meat on top of it. But let it be jollof rice, sha, but something different. Then that's why sometimes you hear people saying that men are polygamous in nature. Men are polygamous in nature. Do you know? Okay, let me explain this to you. An experiment was carried out. They placed a male rabbit and a female rabbit in a cage. As they placed the male rabbit and the female rabbit in that cage, the male rabbit start mating the female rabbit. Or let me use the word sex. The male rabbit start having sex with the female rabbit. He had sex with the female rabbit for a couple of days, 2, 3 days, and after that, he stopped having sex with the female rabbit. The female rabbit becomes unattractive. He stopped. They did everything possible, carry the male rabbit, put them together, like trying to unite them together. The male rabbit just goes his way, the female rabbit stays there, and so on and so forth. They now brought another female rabbit, introduced into that cage. The male rabbit, on spotting this new female rabbit, he rushed the new female rabbit and started meeting the female rabbit, started having sex with the female rabbit. He had sex with the female rabbit a couple of times, number of times, like the same number of days, 2, 3 days or thereabouts. He stopped. Now we have one male rabbit inside the cage and two female rabbits inside the same cage, and they were not doing anything. They brought another female rabbit, introduced it. That's the third female rabbit. The male rabbit rushed the female one again, the new one. I started having sex again with the new female rabbit. After like 3 days, he stopped. So the people carrying out this experiment, they start thinking, does it mean that the libido increases, or the testosterone of the male rabbit increases whenever a female rabbit is being introduced? So they now started another experiment. They continued that experiment in another style. What they did now was this. They removed the first female rabbit. They removed the first female rabbit and kept it somewhere for like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, they brought that female rabbit. They introduced the female rabbit into the cage. The male rabbit, on spotting this female rabbit, this new female rabbit, he rushed the new female rabbit. I started meeting, I started having sex with the new female rabbit. The same female rabbit that was rejected, the same female rabbit that was not, that he didn't even see anything attractive in her, he started having sex with the female rabbit. The same number of days, he stopped. They did the same experiment. They removed another female rabbit, introduced. The same thing happened over and over and over again. Why? Because as when they come to a conclusion, they come to a conclusion on understanding that the new female rabbit that is introduced appeared new to the male rabbit. Humans are not rabbit, but through successive experiment, testing testosterone, libidinous energy, and everything, there is a semblance between that of human and rabbit. That was why they use it as an experiment. They don't understand that men love new things. Men love things that are new. That is why the only way to make your marriage, or to keep your marriage, or to make it successful to an extent by God's grace, is by applying novelty. Every woman needs to apply novelty in his marriage, in her marriage. Not just every woman, even if you're dating somebody, apply novelty. Always find something, always do something that will make you appear new. Don't always look like the way you usually look. You and your husband, you're going somewhere, and your husband through the side mirror was looking at one chick, one girl like that. Not that the girl is so appealing. He's looking at the buttocks of the girl. And you, the woman, you're like, oh, my husband. I'm finished. My husband is cheating on me. Look at, oh my God. My own buttocks is even bigger than this girl's own. Why is he looking at the girl, not me? Why? It's because something new just happened. He's looking at something new. I'm not saying he's going to sleep with the girl, though. Thank God God give us, what do you call it, self-control. So those of men don't use that self-control power. But what he's looking at is something new. So as a woman, Do something. No, don't always carry the same hairstyle. Once in a while, change your hairstyle. Once in a while, change your perfume, your makeup, your lipstick. There are things you will do that will make you to appear new. Not every time your husband come around and say you want to have sex, you just say, hey, my husband, come and have sex. If I don't give you sex now, you can't cheat on me. Come on. In fact, women that gives their husband constant sex every time, they are pushing the man to come sleep around. I am telling the truth. They are pushing the man to come sleep around. Even when the man is no more ready, he doesn't want to do it again like the rabbit that doesn't want to do it again. This is it. You are rushing, you're rushing, you're rushing. You see that man sleeping around. I am telling the truth. I didn't say deny your husband sex. I didn't say so. But at times, apply novelty. You stay a bit away from having sex with him, and so on and so forth. So that by the time you open it, it looks new, it looks refreshing, and it looks enjoyable. Apply certain things. Apply certain things. Men need novelty. Men need something new. If it's the same clothes, the same smell, the same everything, the same style of makeup, the same hairstyle, everything, it becomes 100% monotonous, and the man is not seeing any new thing. And we only want to engage in something that is new. So that is it. Thank you very much. God bless.